Hi there. In this video, I will guide you step by step how you can download all your data from Facebook. Either it is your messages, posts, activity or anything else. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app in your mobile phone. Now you can see three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on that. Now scroll down a little. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. A whole new page will appear in front of you. Now scroll down again and you will see an option of Download Your Information under Your Information heading. Tap on that. On this page, select everything that you want to download. You have got so many options. And then scroll down to the bottom of this page and tap on Create File. Now you can see here that the download is pending. This can take some time depending on the amount of data your account contains. Facebook will notify you when the process is completed. And that's it for today. Hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe my channel.